Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Topstep X to TradingView. It's important to understand that Topstep X actually has TradingView charts built directly into its interface. This means you won't be connecting an external TradingView account to Topstep X. Instead, you'll be using the powerful charting tools already integrated within the Topstep X platform for your trading activities. This is the intended and only way to utilize TradingView with Topstep X. Since Topstep X includes embedded TradingView charts, you can access all the familiar charting functionalities without needing a separate connection. This allows you to apply your favorite indicators, draw trend lines, and perform in-depth market analysis directly within the Topstep X environment. The integration ensures a smooth workflow, letting you execute trades right from the charts you're analyzing, all in one place. The primary benefit of Topstep X's integrated TradingView charts is the streamlined workflow. You get a seamless experience where your charts, orders, and Topstep-specific risk management rules are all in one place. This eliminates the need to switch between different applications, ensuring you have consistent market data and a unified trading environment. It's designed for efficiency and clarity in your trading journey. While the integrated charts are powerful, it's important to note that custom indicators are not currently available within Topstep X's embedded TradingView charts. Topstep X also uses its own isolated market data feed. For an enhanced reading experience, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Always familiarize yourself with the platform's features to maximize your trading potential within this integrated environment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.